In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect on Webull Pay in Tradingview. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Tradingview account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're logged in, head over to your chart. This can be any chart you normally use for your analysis. If you're on the home page, just open a chart for any symbol you like. The process is the same no matter which symbol you choose. With your chart open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. On most layouts, you'll see tabs like Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and one that says Trading Panel. Click on the Trading Panel tab. When you do this, the lower part of your screen will switch to show different brokers and trading services that you can connect to directly from Tradingview. By default, Tradingview might only show a few of the most popular or recently used brokers. To see the full list, look for an option that says Show All Brokers. Go ahead and click that. This is important because Webull Pay may not appear in the initial shortened list. Once you click Show All Brokers, Tradingview will expand the list so you can see every available integration. Now that you're viewing all the brokers, scroll through the list until you find Webull Pay. The brokers are usually displayed with their logos and names, so it should be easy to spot. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting Webull Pay specifically, and not a different broker with a similar name. When you see Webull Pay in the list, click on it. This will open the connection window or prompt. From here, Tradingview will guide you through the connection process. Typically, this means confirming that you want to connect, and then logging into your Webull account in the secure window that appears. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and make sure you only enter your login details in the official connection window provided by Tradingview. Once you've completed the login and authorized the connection, Tradingview should confirm that Webull Pay is now connected. After that, you'll be able to place trades directly from your Tradingview chart using your Webull Pay account, which can make your workflow much smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do. Open a chart, go to the trading panel, show all brokers, and connect to Webull Pay.